The Prisoner Diving Gear (PDG) for short is a modified standard-issue diving backpack outfitted with a remotely detonated modified shotgun shell that works underwater, being pointed directly at the user's neck. In 1962, during the excavation and construction of the Hadel Black Site, a major problem were the convicts being used for labor trying to leave the Let Van zone. The problem wasn't so much that they tried to leave, as when they tried to swim up and out of the zone, they'd get crushed by the sudden pressure change. The problem came from having to constantly get new convicts, as majority would try to swim away. The PDG was designed as a deterrent. If a convict tried to swim away, station guards or HQ flip a switch and the shotgun would go off, killing them instantly. After this little modification, escape attempts dropped by 98%. Over the years, the PDG has improved drastically. Before, they were just built to work in the Let Van zone, but now it's designed for and can withstand 100,000 and 20,000 studs depth. Previously, after detonation, the gear would be considered lost as the corpse sank too fast to the bottom of the trench before the gear could be recovered. Now, in the event that the shotgun is detonated, the backpack will automatically disconnect from the corpse of the user and float to the surface, where it can be picked up by patrol boats and be reused. They can also be detached remotely from the user's back, leaving the former user to drown. It saves a shotgun shell, but it's not advised as it's considerably more inhumane. It should be noted that certain audio waves and specific signal frequencies can trigger the PDG to go off without input or block it from detonating entirely. It's highly advised that trigger holders operate on a 2 strikes and you're out system, depending on the severity of the act committed. However, their PDG may be detonated on a first offense, if the prisoner in question cannot be communicated with, or if to show an example to a group. Their PDG may also be detonated on a first offense. Below are the listed quotas that permit use of the PDG. Prisoner tries to leave the Let Van zone. Prisoner attempts to escape the Black Site. Prisoner disobeys direct orders from any personnel. Prisoner enters restricted area without permission. Prisoner picks up any weaponry without permission. Prisoner tried to attack personnel. Prisoner tries to tamper with PDG device. Prisoner tries to take off the PDG device. Prisoner tries to scramble the connection.